Welcome to Boulder City. These are going to be the top things to do while you're out here. A lot of cool little places, a lot of cool little things here. It is early in the morning and it's hot during the summertime, but these are the must things to do. Check it out. Let me know what you guys like. Let me know if I missed anything in the comment section below. Let's start. And welcome to Bootleg Canyon. This place is like a really cool little bike resort area. Anybody who's got like bikes and stuff, this will be a really cool place to go and ride your bike around. I'm literally walking on some of their ramps and stuff like that, but it's pretty neat, pretty cool. As you can see, I'll show you guys right here. They actually have a lot of ramps like this and some that launch you off. And then they also have like some very unique things, like I think I heard like they have like a giant bunny, they have like a giant bike and stuff, like a lot of cool things. There's my shadow. Yeah, a lot of cool things. So if you guys do come over to Bootleg, check this place out. Pretty good to get a hike and get a walk around the park. Oh yeah, one more thing. That thing up there is actually for zip lining. So if you want to do some zip lining, this is where to do it. We are here at the Train Museum. They do have tours. They have night tours. They have a lot of cool stuff here. And then if you get here early enough before the tour starts, you can actually have your own personal tour by yourself. So let's look around and check this place out. We're here at the Tom Devlin's Monster Museum. You guys got to check this place out. It's actually, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff here. Don't want to spoil too much for you guys because it's actually very, very cool what they have. So let's explore. Welcome to the Boulder Dam Hotel Historic Hotel and Museum. Let's go inside and check this out. Don't want to disturb the guests, so let's see if they let us in. Now, welcome to Hemingway Park. There's supposed to be some bighorn, some ram. My luck, of course, I didn't get to see anything. Nobody's here. Everyone's probably sleeping. But normally, it's just a normal kids park. There's some animal life that happens that comes down here from the mountains, which is like right next to it. It says, caution, mountain sheep are wild animals. Do not approach. So if you do see them, leave them alone. This is the park area. But I wanted to show you guys this location just in case you do want to see some sheep, some bighorn. This is where to come. And welcome to the Lake Mead Visitor Center. It's very windy right now, but if you do get a chance, stop by here, get a map. There is a railroad with tunnels, like a trail that you guys can take. That's pretty cool. A lot of neat stuff here, so make sure you guys do check this place out. And welcome to Lake Mead. Now, if you do come out here and you're walking, it's a really, really short walk. They do have like a loaner station for kids if you need one. And literally there's the beach. Now, I'm probably pronouncing this wrong, but welcome to Mike O'Callaghan Memorial Bridge, or also known as the Hoover Dam Bridge Overlook. Now, the last place I will say is make sure you guys do spend some time in the historic downtown area of Boulder City. There's a lot of shops, a lot of cool little things to do, bars, food, tons of food areas, and from what I hear, just about everything is really, really good out here. So let me know what you guys think. Always appreciate you guys when you guys do come and check it out. Smash that thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Let me know what was your most favorite thing to do here at Boulder City. And yeah, as always, you guys take care of each other, and we'll see you guys in the next adventure.